Hello, hello, and hello once more, beautiful zine beans. Welcome to Happy Mel Monday, where I, Nyx, share glorious meat. Glorious meat? I was thinking of zine beans still. Anyway, I'm Nyx, and I really like zines, and I really like mail, and sometimes people send me their zines in the mail, and this is where I share the glorious mail that has landed in my post box over the past week with you, dear friends. Oh my goodness. I mean, I like the alliteration of Happy Mail Monday, but I feel like Mondays are definitely when I'm the most... Well, I was about to say, I feel like Mondays are definitely when I'm the most frazzled. And that's especially true when my camera just stops working for whatever reason. So yeah, that just adds to it. Anyway, so I should get on with the mail just in case I have more technical difficulties. Yeah, anyway, sorry about that. Sorry about the sudden cut. Maybe I'll work it out in editing. Maybe I won't. We'll see. It's Monday. Happy Monday. Anyway, I will get right onto the mail and I will show you that we have some mail from Feral Publication. I love it. I have talked about Rich so many times on this channel because he's such an inspiration with all the stuff he does and just the way his brain works in approaching things and his passion for sharing all sorts of things. So definitely check out his stuff. I always highly recommend you check out Rich's stuff. And I think I know what this is. I'm not even wearing my Feral Publications shirt today. Shame on me. We have Feral Comics number 9. Ooh, I love it. I love it. Sorry. I'm already see, I love it so much. I'm already taking a peek inside and I'm seeing some new names I haven't seen before. So, but be good. So here we go. Feral Comics number 9. Look at that. So cool. Part of Feral Publications. Now, let's see. I'll read from his words rather than mine, so get right to the point. Welcome back to another great issue of Feral Comics. It feels like we are finally getting into our groove and building a stronger underground comics company. And yes, you have all been and are being part of that story. As always, this project is only made possible by the underground cartoonists that submit work. And although they are all paid for their contributions, they really do deserve way more money than this small publishing company can pay right now. So thanks to them. Lastly, Feral Publication is growing and we plan to drop a special project for Earth Day. So please stay tuned for that. A project that we are working on with I'm going to tongue tie that, so it's just going to be in the bits and bobs. We are also launching our annual Halloween magazine. Halloween magazine, yes! For any submissions you have, get in contact with Feral Publications. Oh, that's so cool. See, I told you, Rich is always working on all these cool projects and has all these ideas for his business and everything. It's very inspiring. Very, very cool. And so we have comics from... Oh my goodness. Sergio, Brian, Placinda, and Rich. Oh my goodness. Feral Comics is a comic book zine anthology hosting cartoonists from around the world. It is the aim of this project to empower the underground comics movement and cartoonists. Oh, so cool. So, all kinds of information in here, and then you have the artists, and then you have an awesome assortment of comics from cartoonists, artists around the world. Like, how good is that? And with Feral Comics, sorry, I just laughed at myself because I was like, oh, you're gonna sound like you're sponsored. Oh, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Anyway, sorry. Ramble. Anyway, Feral Comics, I subscribed to them, subscribed to it, gosh, would have been last year. Anyway, so Feral Comics is a subscription. All of the subscription money obviously goes to help pay the artists and all that good stuff, and the shipping, etc., etc., etc. And I love, I've said it before, but I love collaborative zines because it's a great way to get to find voices and artists that you might not otherwise find through other means. So it's all winning all over the place. So definitely check it out. I mean, I wouldn't say I'm like super into comics, like I don't know a lot of the history and all of that stuff, or a lot of the names or anything like that, but I do enjoy this very, very much. So thanks, Rich, for sending that out. It is a pleasure to be a part of the community that is supporting artists and all of that good stuff. So yeah, all good, wonderful stuff, and keep it up. Thank you. Next up from the UK, we have some mystery mail. Dun, 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 dun. I think it's been a while since we've had mystery mail. I mean, the mystery is usually not so mysterious once I get it open, but there's no name. If you can hear the noises in the background, please forgive me. It is my printer doing its thing, just letting me know that it's there and it wants some attention. Now, yeah, mystery mail. I think it's mystery mail. I don't recognize the address. So let us. Woo! Goodness. Let us see what we have here. Dun, dun, dun. Is this a note? Is this a note or just protecting the? Okay, blank piece of paper protecting the mail. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this isn't mystery mail. It's not even zine mail. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. Well, we're here and it's mail, so I'll just let you know. I ordered some, you can't see them very well, but I ordered some earrings. And for my nose, I've got this one up here, and I've got 2 piercings down here. So I've ordered some rings, and here I was thinking, oh my goodness, it's mystery zine mail and everything, but nope. It's just I'm gonna leave this in here. I mean, it's mail, right? At least I didn't open a bill on video. But yes, it's just rings for my ears. I think I got a new one for my nose. Okay, so there's that. Thank you, Etsy person, for sending those so quickly. I'm leaving it in. I'm leaving it in. Why not? So now you know. Oh my goodness me. Now I'm all kinds of flustered. So last but definitely not least whatsoever, we have mail from Antec. And I have to show you the back because I love the Egyptian god on the back, but it says, hello, yes, me again. And I took this out of the post box. It was the only thing that had arrived on that day. And I took it out of the post box and I looked at it and I knew, like, I'm familiar with Antec's handwriting now, but I saw the back and yes, me again. And I was literally standing in front of my post box giggling because something about that tickled me. Yes. Thank you for the giggle even before I open up the goodness. So this is from Antec. Ooh, goodness me. And it's really tight in there and I want to be careful. Hello again. Hi, Antec. Hope they just see mail from you. Hello again. Just a quick note to say thanks. Oh, goodness. So Antec makes frit cut. Now, if I were more prepared, I would have frit cut here, but I have all of my zines for review all packaged up and ready for me to sit down and have a big reviewing session. So I don't have them right here. Oh my goodness. And yes, Bess, the Egyptian god that I love so much. Oh my goodness. So here we have Oh, oh my goodness. We have a quick note about this is a thank you for featuring Fritcott on the video. It's my pleasure. It is it's goodness, I do enjoy sharing the mail and opening the mail and everything like that. And one of the reasons I started this channel or this series is because I enjoy mail opening videos. I don't know what it is. There's just something about that. I like seeing people's reactions. I have sent things to people who do mail openings just because I like to see the reactions and things like that. And I imagine that that's part of the enjoyment of of watching me do the video thing now. So it's my pleasure. I mean, I'm receiving a zine and to review and all that stuff like that, but I feel like a review is just, I don't know, people are making zines and spending postage to send things all the way to Australia, which is far away from every other thing everywhere. And yeah, I feel like Happy Mail, especially when I'm running behind with reviews, I feel like Happy Mail is a good way to kind of get the ball rolling. Like, here is an introduction to this scene, and then however many weeks later there'll be a review. So it's kind of put into the consciousness more than once, that sort of thing. So it's always my pleasure to share things on the video, even if I mistakenly share the mail for the earrings I get. Anyway, so it's an absolute pleasure. You know, it's always a surprise, and it makes me feel a little less guilty that people are sending me zines for free. I mean, I guess we could get into the discussion of it. Yes, but you spend your time, and they spend postage, but you spend your time, and all that stuff. But that's not really a discussion I want to feel like getting into today. I will just say thank you, and it's always my pleasure. And you definitely don't need to thank me for featuring anything on Happy Mail Monday, because it's what I do, and it's how I try to, at least in part, repay the kindness that is shown to me regularly, just by people who send me mail, by people who watch these videos, by people who pick up something off Etsy or off the shop. Yeah. But this turned into a bit of an unexpected ramble, but I just, I don't... Nobody owes me a thank you or needs to say thank you for me doing this. So this is my thank you to everybody for all the things that you do. Because, yeah, I really don't know what I'd be doing without zines. I don't know. Maybe I'd be better at Fortnite. That's definitely a possibility. Anyway, ramble. This was just Antec said there's no need to show these on the video or anything like that. So I'm taking that as there's no need to if I don't want to, but I still have permission to. It's still okay to do so. So I want to. So here we go. We have mini zines, Runt issue 1 and Runt issue 2. Now, Antec mentioned that, let's see, just want to make sure I get all the wordings right. These are made up of images from the many scrapbooks I've kept over the years. I love that. I love that so much. I love the idea of taking something that might otherwise sit there. I mean, I don't know what you do or don't do with your scrapbooks, but my scrapbooks just sit there. They're not really. Anyway, I won't go on another tangent, but I love the idea of repurposing things like that. And so I might give little peeks of various bits and bobs. Just teeny tiny little peeks, because you never know. But yes, Here we go, Runt 1 and Runt 2. Antec has plans for these in the future, so definitely check out Antec's details in the bits and bobs, because there are things coming, there are things happening, and I'm bumping the mic. There are things coming from Antec, and I'm really excited to see where things go. But yes, I love that. I love the idea of repurposing. What can I say? It's a synchronicity thing from the universe for me, because I'm in the process of decluttering, destashing, repurposing, focusing, all that stuff. So yes, thank you so much, Antec, for sitting that long. It was really great. I just opening and seeing the video, or seeing the envelope, and giggling in front of my post box, which is in the main entrance of a shopping center. So that's always fun to be laughing in front of strangers. Thank you so much to Antec, and thank you so much to Rich, and thank you so much to Etsy seller for sending along my earrings so quickly. And thank you for watching this and listening to my rambles, and I hope you enjoy the mail awesomeness as much as I do, because I really do. And yes, like I said, there's absolutely no need in the world to thank me, because these videos are my thanks to all of you. So and in thanks, I will wrap things up quickly and say, until next time, have some fun, use your hand sanitizer, make some zines, send some mail, and spread a little sunshine. I'm so happy we're back into hoodie season. We're not quite fully into hoodie season, but there have been days like this where I can wear a hoodie at least in the morning, and I'm so happy. Hoodies forever. Yeah. Love my hoodies. Yeah, I'm weird.